Difference between fundamental and technical analysis. Difference between fundamental and technical analysis. One more note for you. You are a good student. So one more note for you. Difference between fundamental and technical analysis. Draw two columns, left side fundamental analysis, right side technical analysis. I will give you 3 points in this note. If they ask a theory question, you can write. This is point number 1. Study of a company's fundamental with the aim of determining its exact growth. Study of the company's fundamental with the aim of determining its exact growth. Study of the company's fundamental with the aim of determining its exact growth. And in technical column write down methodology for forecasting the direction of prices. Methodology for forecasting the direction of prices through the study of past market data. Methodology for forecasting the direction of prices through the study of past market data. Second point, right? Point number 2, keep one line blank. It studies the management. What is fundamental analysis? It studies the management, its board, its promoters, their track record, and such other fundamentals. And technical analysis, right? It employs various statistical tools. And looks at various charts and patterns. And looks at various charts and patterns. And point number 3, helps in making pricing decision. Fundamental analysis is basically helps you to arrive at intrinsic value. How much should be the worth of this share? Fundamental analysis helps in making pricing decisions, and technical analysis, it is more of timing decision, when to buy, when to sell, rather than pricing decision. It is more of timing decision rather than pricing decision. That means in technical analysis we try to identify points where we can buy or we can sell, right? So this theory is over.